Please welcome Britta Zega, member of the Board of Management of Daimler AG, responsible for Mercedes-Benz cars marketing and sales.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Geneva. You might be wondering, what do these two models have in common? Not much at first glance, but I believe they can both have a strong motivational effect. An easy way to get this guy into a suit and tie is let him drive our G63. It's just as much at home off-road as it is in front of the Opera House. And the best way to get this guy out of his house is to get him into our A-Class and let him play with our new MBUX. That's Mercedes magic for you. And it seems our broad portfolio motivates quite a few customers. After the first 2 months of the year, our sales are up 7.4%. In fact, when it comes to the variety of our products, we want to offer a tempting solution to every customer, from city car to off-road legend, from AMG performance to Maybach luxury. Make sure you don't miss our even more refined Mercedes Maybach S-Class with its new radiator grille and two-tone paintwork. It's truly majestic. So, whether you are a geek or a family dad or a businesswoman with Mercedes-Benz, you've got the choice. But what if you can't decide? Wouldn't it be great if you could just drive a new Mercedes every month at a fixed cost? Well, now you can. With our new Mercedes Me Flexperience, you can get access to 12 different models per year. The whole process works easily with a smartphone app. So when the weather looks great for the weekend, just swap your sedan for a cabriolet and make the most out of it. This is just one more innovative idea to create best customer experience with the help of digitization. And there is more, like online purchasing in China and in Germany, where you can already buy your Mercedes-Benz on the internet. We expect to generate up to 25% of global sales online by 2025. At the same time, buying a premium car is always an emotional experience in itself. That's part of why you are here today, right? And it's also why our more than 6,500 sales and service outlets worldwide are our major asset. Thank you. For a premium brand, personal relationship will always be key. That's why we will turn the point of sales into a point of experience. We want our new showrooms to create the same feel-good atmosphere you know from our cars. For example, this counter is where all our customers will receive a very warm welcome. It is just one step to more dialogue and dedication within our customer relationship. At these counters, our new product experts will assist you with questions you might have without having any intention of selling cars. And we have many more ideas. For example, you can configure your A-Class right here in Geneva and take it for a virtual spin immediately with the help of our VR glasses. As you can see, our goal is to create a seamless experience in the real and virtual world so that our customers feel at home no matter how or where they get in touch with us. Now, talking about great experience in this context of urban mobility, you have to mention smart. Smart has always been a forerunner in terms of electric mobility. We introduced our first electric Smart more than a decade ago, and now Smart is the first brand to make the radical change from combustion engine to fully electric. That's why it makes sense that Smart also pioneers our brand for electric mobility, EQ. In Germany, we sold as many electric smart cars in the second half of last year as we sold with the previous generation of electric smarts in 2013 and 14 combined. The world's only open-top electric car might be one of the reasons our smart EQ fortwo Cabrio. By the way, thanks to our new quick charger, it takes less than 45 minutes to charge our electric smart cars to get a range of up to 160 kilometers. No doubt, electric mobility is quickly becoming a reality. And with it, we offer our customers even more choice. The model we will present next comes with the big news in this respect. Thank you very much.